Hello all. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm making pancit. So today our ingredients are some bean thread vermicelli, or you could use the rice thread, that's fine. We also have the soy sauce. We have some chicken breast. We have onion, and we also have garlic, and we have celery. And this is this is called better than bouillon. You could also use a bouillon cube, whichever you prefer. That's what I like. You could also just boil the chicken and get the stock as well. And then we have carrots, and we have green beans, and we have cabbage. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and get some hot water, which I've been boiling in the kettle. And then I'm going to take my bean thread. I'm going to soak it in there until it gets pliable and soft. And also, what I'm also doing is I am taking the chicken breast and I am boiling it with some bouillon. See right there, it's boiling away. When that is cooked, I'm going to shred that chicken. You could also use salt and pepper, guys. Okay guys, so the vermicelli thread or the bean thread is pliable. So I'm going to drain it. Draining it right there. And then I'm going to go and shred the chicken now. Alright guys, so all our ingredients are ready now. So we have the softened vermicelli mung bean noodles. We have the cabbage, the carrot, the celery, the green beans. We have the onion, the garlic. We have the shredded chicken, the soy sauce, salt and pepper, and the chicken stock that I saved and I drained from boiling the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and put the soy sauce in here. See that? And I have a wok that is heating up right now. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our onion and garlic. And we're gonna saute. Alright guys, so the onions and the garlic is sauteing and it's becoming translucent. So right now I'm going to add the shredded chicken breast. Now I'm using a lot of ingredients that we could get here in America. In the Philippines, you probably use aswete, which is annatto seed. That gives the dish the color and a little more flavor. But we're using readily available ingredients. Okay, guys? And sometimes we would probably also use snapper cabbage. But we're using, the regular cabbage that we could get here in the grocery store in the United States. And then we're going to go ahead and add the salt and pepper. turn on the fire a little bit. And then you go ahead and add your stock with your soy sauce. Let that cook and infuse the flavors a little bit. I'm going to cover the pot. Alright guys, it's been simmering for a little bit. So now we're going to add the celery, the carrots, so the carrots and the celery have been cooking with the chicken. Now we're going to add our cabbage and our green beans. Everything smells so good, guys. Alright guys, so the vegetables and the chicken have been simmering for about 15 minutes now. It's nice and tender. Everything looks almost ready. So now we're just going to go ahead and add our noodles. And we're going to mix everything up, guys. You might want to do it in batches. Up to you. So I'm going to mix this all up. Alright everyone, so our pancit is ready. It's all mixed up with the vegetables and the chicken. So right now we're going to plate it with a wedge of lemon or lime. Right now I have lime. In the Philippines we would probably use calamansi. Okay guys, so our pancit is ready. Let's eat, or in Tagalog, kain na tayo. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you next time.